So, good morning, guys. Let's begin with today's alumni meet. If you want to talk to any placed candidate of Pankaj Sir Academy, you can call us on this number 9632629033 or 455, and you will transparently get all placed students' contact numbers. Let's begin with the first candidate, Archit. Very good morning, Archit.
Hello, am I audible to you?
Yeah, you're audible. So, Archit, let's start with your introduction,
Good morning, sir.
qualification, and then interview questions.
Okay, sir. So, firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Myself, Archit Srivastav, and I had completed graduation with BTech Computer Science Engineering. After that, I got to know about your academy that you provide the training for related to Java and Spring Boot. So, I joined your institute, and you have told us very good information about Java, Spring Boot, microservices. That helps me a lot to gain this current job. So thank you for this. Hello.
Right. Continue. You continue with all the questions, everything. Huh?
Yes, sir. So basically, in current scenario, the company is asking related question related to Spring Boot, Hibernate JPA, and microservices. So basically, the candidate should have a proper knowledge of all the collection features and how to optimize a particular API, how to implement the caching, how to secure a particular API with the help of JWT authentication and authorization. And we have to also gain knowledge on high level design and low level design also. So these are the basic questions that our company asking, and also they are asking about the design pattern that we use in the current market scenario.
Okay. Uh, so, tell us more about the design patterns. What kind of questions are you getting on design patterns?
So basically, they are asking like creational design pattern, structural design pattern. That what sort of design pattern you are using in Spring Boot means we have options of singleton design pattern, factory design pattern is there, and for event-driven architecture we have to go with the Saga design patterns. So they were asking like that.
Okay. So, you mentioned microservices strongly in your resume.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's why Saga design pattern, I
They have
think they have asked you.
because initially I was showing that I have work on monolithic, but companies started asking about the microservices because they told that in current scenario most of the project are on microservices, so you must
Correct.
have knowledge on microservices.
Correct. And that is one more thing. See, if you put it in a project part microservices, questions are more.
Yes,
If you
sir.
put microservices as a generic point in resume, then
Mm-hmm.
the questions will reduce.
Then they will ask only basic approach that how
Correct.
you use to connect that like with the help of REST template and Fin client.
Correct. So that depends on the candidate's preparation. If you're confident with microservices, make that as a part of project. Not confident, put that under skills.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Archit, any other inputs on studies, how they should prepare?
Means firstly they have to study your things that you have told us in your lectures. So that the student have to go from scratch, and also they have to research with the help of Google and everything. And firstly make a friend as a chat GP, make as a friend, because that's help you a lot for the research things. So this will be very helpful for them.
Yeah, you can also work on GitHub Copilot.
Yes, sir.
That is very interesting because that has been designed specifically for coders.
Yes, sir.
So the prompt engineering is more strong when you're using
Yes.
GitHub Copilot. And it's easy. If you just explore, it is supported on almost all the IDs. And again, some companies might have restriction not to use Copilot. Then we have tab 9. Okay. So thank you so much, Archit. Lastly, students are interested to know your package. Hello. I think we got disconnected with Archit. Hello, Archit. Okay, we'll invite the next candidate, Manoj Sharma. Let's add here Manoj Sharma. Manoj, let's start with your introduction. It's not there. Okay. See, one thing, because of festival, some people would not be available today, Diwali ki wajah se. But we tried our best to check the availability of whoever is free. Because of Diwali, a lot of people are going to their hometown. Let's start with Sheikh Muskan.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Very good morning.
Yeah, audible.
Hello. Yes,
So,
yes,
Muskan, let's start with your introduction, year of pass out, and which all companies have you got placed in?
sure, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to attend this alumni meet. Sir, myself, Sheikh Muskan. I am from Jan 3rd batch 2024, and up to now, I have moreover I attended 15 to 16 interviews in which I have got placed three of the companies. My highest package is 9 LPA and my lowest was 7 LPA, sir. And
Right.
now I'm currently working for Mindsprint company where the role which was given to me is Java developer. And first, most of the challenges which I came across in the second round only, sir. First round, mostly it's common. 80% of the questions in the first round, it's
Firstly,
repeated. Yes,
one thing, people have been eagerly waiting to listen to the voice of 2024 candidates. So, this will break that silence where people should turn out to be confident that 2024 girl has got 3 offer letters and touched a package of 9 lakhs, right? Slowly you will see the flow of 2024, gradually the numbers increasing as many students are still studying in May batch. Once my May batch gets over, 2024 output will be better. Back to you, Muskan. You were telling mostly second round is difficult. Please tell us
yes,
more
sir.
about that.
Yes, sir. In the first round, mostly it's repeated questions. Like 80% questions are repeated in each and every interview. Like the interviewer most concentrate on Java 8 features, collections, threads, concepts, most in this only, sir, in the first round. And in Spring Boot, they concentrate on annotations, and in SQL, they concentrate on queries. Mostly I have faced SQL in the indexes parts, the difference between clustered and non-clustered index. So this I faced in SQL part. So this is all about first round. And in the second round, it is completely a technical part. The scenario-based questions comes into the picture in the second round itself, where the design patterns, tokens, and if you mention the in resume, if you mention microservices, they'll ask the microservices questions as well. And mostly I have not include that I have done the project of microservices. I have include as a monolithic project. So I got the questions like how you communicate between two microservices, what are the template you have used, can you please explain in the technical part of this. So only I have faced microservices, only these questions, sir. And I tell to the like juniors, like whatever the question bank we received from academy, if we go through thoroughly, so we can crack, anyone can crack any interview, sir. Like I say with confidence. And yes, sir.
Right. So, let us continue further. So, see, that's what this tells. The skills that you're putting in your resume, the questions are based on that. It is not that there are standard fixed questions. See, what an experienced person will do, will take your resume, and based on that, your project related questions, microservices, monolithic architecture, these questions will be asked. Okay, be aware of that.
And most of the people will fear that after going in company, can we do the work or not? Like that, sir. But it's completely what you thought. If we prepare that well, we can do anything, sir. As my role also completely Java developer, I want to write coding, everything, but I'm able to do the work completely as compared to others.
So that's a
So,
very good news, which
yes,
means
sir.
without any support, she is able to
Yes, sir.
work by
As
herself on the
compared
project.
to yes, sir. And finally, at last, I want to take a moment to express my heartful gratitude for the immense role you have played in shaping my career and personal growth as well, sir. Thank you for always inspiring us to strive for excellence and your unwavering dedication to our success. Thanks a lot, sir.
Yeah, yeah, most welcome. Okay, Muskan, God bless you. Take care.
Thank
Huh?
you so much, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
right. Yeah, bye. So I hope, see, because this Diwali around, फिर भी some students took out the time, and I'm very respectful to them. Reason being is, uh, in spite of this busy schedule, they're traveling and all these things. But some students said that nahi hum attend karenge. Otherwise, this time it is little difficult. So Ajay, let's start with your introduction.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to attend the alumni meet.
We are not able to hear you, Ajay. Your voice is very low,
Hello, now
very
it's
low.
fine. Hello,
It is low actually, right? His
hello,
voice is clear. Okay, able to hear. Online students able to hear his voice.
hello.
Ah, oh yeah, now fine.
Yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity to attend the alumni meet. And my name is Ajay Prajapati, and I am pass out 2024. And now
One
I am
minute.
working in a Clover
We'll
Infotech
take a pause
Private
here.
Limited in Mumbai.
Yeah, yeah,
And
Ajay.
my designation is a senior software engineer.
1
And
minute, Ajay.
what?
1 minute. We'll take a pause here. मतलब आज तो मजा आ रहा है 2024 second candidate is on our show. Ajay Prachapati,
Yeah,
who has cracked the interview,
yeah.
right?
When I am taking an interview, I have selected in five company like Chennai have two offers in our product and Agira Technology and after a B-Link in a Delhi and it's a Mumbai. I am choosing in Mumbai because the Mumbai is a very difficult and it is now my project is a banking domain project. It is a AU microfinance.
Hmm.
So it is a very tough project now, but I am
Hmm.
able to uh, take the project alone. So
You're able to work on the most tough project you're telling. So he's smart. Ajay Prajapati is smart. Your voice is again not coming, Ajay. Which batch you are from? I think you would
uh,
have joined in final year.
no, sir, I am coming from a 6 June 2023 Puspen Rathore batch.
Ah, so he joined last year.
Yeah,
Degree got over in
because
2024.
sir, can I speak Hindi?
हाँ बिल्कुल भाई आराम से बात करिए.
क्या है कि सर हम लोग चार लोग आए थे जो कि ये सोच के आए थे कि पहले ही जॉब चाहिए जो कम
हम्म.
पास होने के पहले
हम्म.
तो
हम्म.
पुष्पन की हो गई थी लेकिन मैं घर
हम्म.
चला गया था इस वजह से मेरा ना नहीं हो पाया था
हम्म. हम्म. हम्म.
तो जितना सर बोलते हैं अगर आपने उतना भी कर लिया तो 99% आपका इंटरव्यू क्वालिफाई है आपको कहीं
हम्म.
से बाहर से कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है
राइट. तो देखिए एक चीज तो हमारे यहाँ पे कभी भी करंट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स प्लेसमेंट थोड़ा धीरे से चालू होता है क्योंकि कोर्स लंबा चलता है, राइट. और फेक प्लेसमेंट्स और जेन्यून प्लेसमेंट्स में अंतर तो होगा क्योंकि जेन्युइन प्लेसमेंट्स देने में काफी टाइम लगने वाला है. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी एन इजी जर्नी फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स और द ट्रेनर. फर्स्ट चीज आप ये समझ लीजिए, प्लीज कीप दिस इन माइंड. सी, फेक इंटरव्यूज बीइंग कंडक्टेड इज वेरी इजी. They'll conduct five campus drives. But end of the day, when you turn left, right, see back, front, you will not see any placed candidate at all where you have seen them face to face. Correct? So he has taken time because he was undergoing his graduation. But after that, he's got placed. He's telling something about his friend. His voice got disconnected. Ajay, can you please correct your mic?
Yeah, sir. Now it's
Ah.
fine, sir.
So you're telling something about your friends.
My old friend is a have job. Pushpendra Rathore in the DXC technology, and
Ah,
I am a Clover Infotech, and one of
ah,
my friend is in Bangalore Techmong subs in an
ah,
Android position developer,
ah.
and
I met your friend who is an Android developer a week back.
it is
Yeah,
it is working on Android and Java both.
correct.
Yeah,
I met him in Tata Star Market actually.
yeah. Because I am
Accidentally.
working here only a Java full stack JavaScript and complete technology of Java and WCM technology,
Okay,
Oracle Web Center.
right. Very nice. So Ajay, questions wise, please tell us
Yeah, sir.
quickly.
It's just asking me about the microservice like circuit breaker, fault tolerance, and REST template, and Java 8 features. And now market place in our interview technical question like Java 8 features is more. It is not searching about the technical. Means अभी का सिनेरियो ये है कि वो बहुत कम टाइम में आपसे ज्यादा की डिमांड रखते हैं. वो ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि आपको कितना आता है. अगर आप उनका कोड 1 से 2 लाइन में बना पा रहे हो तो आपके लिए वो बहुत अच्छा है.
Right,
क्योंकि जावा 8 फीचर्स में स्ट्रीम एपीआई से ही बहुत मेरे जो जितने भी इंटरव्यू निकले हैं वो स्ट्रीम एपीआई से ही निकले हैं. मैंने कभी टेक्निकल कुछ यूज ही नहीं किया.
right. This is true. See, just I think yesterday only in one batch I was telling 50% of your interview questions will come on collection, that is data structure in Java and stream API. And this you have to be very prepared, right? I don't know, morning batch I was telling or which batch I was telling, your batch I was telling, correct. And collection. If these two part in Java you're not good at, you cannot crack the interview. Keep this in mind. Favorite questions in interview. Like collection, if you're studying, difference between array list, linked list, okay, hash map, hash table, hash set, linked hash map, tree, map, things like that, tree set. All of that you have to be well prepared. And with that stream API, some logical questions, try to explore that. Okay. What else, Ajay? You want to suggest 2024 people exclusively?
तो
Hello?
मैं तो यही कहूंगा कि अभी यदि ज्वाइन करते हैं आप. मैंने 3.4 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस लगाया था. और
Right,
यदि आप इंटरव्यू क्लियर कर लेते हैं और तो उनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि आप किस बैच के पास आउट हो.
right.
हाँ.
तो मैटर नहीं करता है आप किस पास से पास आउट हो. मैटर ये करता है कि यू आर गुड कैंडिडेट एंड यू शुड बी एबल टू वर्क.
क्योंकि बैंकिंग डोमेन प्रोजेक्ट काफी टफ प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि थोड़ा टफ पड़ता है. इसलिए मुझे बैंकिंग डोमेन में ही जाना है क्योंकि बैंकिंग डोमेन में थोड़ा आगे जो है मतलब इंक्रीमेंट अच्छा है. आप कितना भी पैकेज मांग सकते हो आगे जाके.
Correct. This is very true because banking projects are kind of tough. No doubt about that. And today, if he excels in banking project for the next 1 year, if he does well, it is like he has an excellent package coming up. Now, if you notice this 4 friends who got placed, one who got placed Java with Android, he got placed as a fresher. I met him few days back in one of the shopping mall. So we had a conversation. He said, सर काम अच्छा चल रहा है, पैकेज बहुत कम है. मेरे सारे फ्रेंड ने 9-10 लाख का पैकेज ले लिया, मेरा 17,000 का ही है. बट पॉइंट क्या होता है कि डिफरेंसेस काफी ज्यादा रहने वाला है, राइट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ पैकेजेस भी, एंड ऑल्सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ द एक्सपोजर व्हाट यू विल गेट, राइट। बट बैंकिंग प्रोजेक्ट, एज यू सेड, दैट्स वेरी ट्रू। अगर आप काफी ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट हो, बैंकिंग प्रोजेक्ट में जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि सीखने को बहुत मिलेगा, एंड you cannot take any external resource help in banking projects, right? Anything else, Ajay?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Let's invite Manoj Yadav, is it? I don't know. Manoj Kumar, Manoj Yadav, Manoj Sharma. Who's the one? Unmute yourself. We have Manoj Kumar. Okay, Manoj Kumar is the one.
Hello,
Yes. Manoj, let's. Hello.
good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Manoj. So let's start with your introduction.
Yes, sir. So
So
thank you,
Manoj,
sir.
आप 12th फेल मूवी से तो नहीं हो?
नहीं सर, मैं वहां से नहीं हूँ.
नहीं, इसी मजाक कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि थोड़े मैसेजेस आए मुझे यूट्यूब में के मनोज शर्मा 12th फेल मूवी.
हम्म.
एनीवेज,
नहीं सर, मैं
we have
वो नहीं.
Manoj Kumar also here.
मैं
So
आपका ही
Manoj,
स्टूडेंट हूँ सर.
okay, let's start Manoj with your introduction, qualification, companies that you have got placed in, highest and lowest package.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. This side Manoj Sharma. I'm basically from Sir Bihar, and I've done BTech sir in mechanical engineering in 2023. Since sir, after that I got to know about you, sir, from one of my friend, who is already from past 2 3 month back. He's your student. He joined your institute. Then I got to know from him that about you, that you teach well and everything is okay. So after that, sir, I took demo classes, and then I joined your institute, sir, after that. And then, sir, I got placed in, sir, 4 5 companies. One, sir, is Walmart is there, sir, and one Deloitte is there. And then, sir, one is TransUnion is also there. And also one, sir, Medicab company, healthcare company is there of Bangalore. But I joined Deloitte, sir. And my highest package is, sir, 15.5 LPA.
How much? 15.5.
15.5 LPA, sir, yes.
Okay. ये लाइफ
And
सेटल हो गया ना?
नहीं सर,
साढ़े
अभी तो
पंद्रह
बहुत
लाख का पैकेज
बहुत
लिया.
बाकी है.
हाँ.
अभी तो बहुत बाकी है सर लाइफ.
नहीं, अभी तो
बट
बाकी है,
अभी के लिए, यस,
बट
अभी के लिए अच्छा हो गया.
हाँ, तो कहीं ना कहीं जीरो से 15.5 लाख पे आए, तो शुरुआत तो हो गई, मेरा ये बोलना है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट सर, करेक्ट. एंड
आगे
सर
आगे तो
अभी,
लाइफ काफी करेक्ट है. बहुत
करेक्ट
पैकेज
करेक्ट.
लेना है अभी आपको.
यस सर.
तो कमिंग टू क्वेश्चंस,
यस
प्लीज
सर.
टेल अस अबाउट ऑल इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस इन डिटेल मैनर.
Okay, sir. So, आजकल sir, interview questions are we are getting, you have to the things you are sir teaching like core Java first of all. Okay, so since the very beginning, you have to whatever you are teaching, you have to study very well. You have to revise thoroughly whatever you are teaching, like core Java and then advanced Java, then microservices. And interviewer nowadays, they are expecting like in an open AI era, you have to know all those things, whether you have a 2 years experience, whether you have a 3 years experience. You should know all those things. If you don't know, meanwhile they think that we will get some other candidate who is having a knowledge of everything. So that is very important, sir. And in core Java, they will obviously ask some uh, repeated question. In core Java, sir, questions are not getting changed, almost it is similar. So they will ask Java 8 feature, then functional sum interface, why we use Java 8, and double equal, dot equal differences they will ask, exception how to handle. These are the questions which are interviewers are asking since very starting. Then they will ask, sir, in transactions or in Hibernate they will go in deep. They ask a lot of questions from transaction,
So
why we use.
tell those questions, no, what deep questions they go with, so
Yeah, yeah.
everybody will know.
So one of the question is, like, why we use at the rate transactional annotation, and then they will ask some how to implement caching in a Spring Boot application, why we use Hibernate, what does it handle, I mean how it handle ORM. Such questions, sir, they will ask, and they will also ask the purpose of JPA. How does it go with Spring Boot also. While lazy loading and eager loading is it is a one of the repeated question they will ask, and session factory session they will ask. So these are the questions that they will ask, and they will also go with the microservices, AWS, if you know, and microservices for sure they will ask, sir. No doubt about it.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, see, I think you would have understood the syllabus, what we have to be prepared with now. Correct.
correct, sir.
In Java, two concepts are very commonly asked: stream API collection.
Correct, 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 sir. Correct.
In advanced Java, REST API microservices.
Yes, sir.
Common.
Yes, sir.
This you have to be prepared with. Hibernate, what is he telling? You be very much prepared with some theory parts also, like what is eager loading, lazy loading, or mapping concepts in Hibernate and things like that.
And sir, things are
Servlet
also getting
JSPs,
changing.
nobody will ask question. I think that is
Yes.
outdated. So very rarely you might get questions. Any other things you want to tell, Manoj, to
Sir,
the
yes.
students? Huh.
Yes, yes. In terms of sir coding, like we used to get some expected coding questions like reverse
Huh.
string,
Huh.
and
Huh.
yeah, to the count of the occurrence. These all the question we used to get factorial of the number, then first non-repeating character. In such type of question we used to get in earlier, sir. Now that sir, as of my knowledge, sir, the interviewer has become very smart. They are giving you the random coding questions like to count. Suppose today is 26, and this month is up to 31st, and how many days are left in this month, and then you have to get the answer.
Then
Then
we'll have
you
to
have
work
to.
on date and time.
Yes, yes, sir. And then suppose any random question they are giving, and some stream API questions are also they are giving, sir. So yeah. So आप जो भी बेसिकली आई वांटेड टू से जो whatever you are teaching us, अगर हम लोग उसको अच्छे से since the very beginning if we will prepare, no, then it will be very better for us to crack the interview, sir.
राइट, उसके बाद तो आप खुद से भी पढ़ना चालू कर ही लोगे.
एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि आपको धीरे धीरे इंटरव्यू देते समझ में आता है कि मुझे ये भी पढ़नी है, ये भी पढ़नी है, सर.
राइट. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस कि in spite of you know the festive season, our students have taken out time and joined. There were few more people in the list, but not connect with them today. Could be they got busy with the festival. We will next alumni meet, invite more people and talk to them. See, understand the syllabus. The whole crux of this is it doesn't matter your 2024 or 2022 or 2020. You have to just safeguard yourself from the fake interviews. See, this is the first challenge what students will have it. Do not get into any fake drives and fake placements. Because recently one girl came to me. She said, I got placed as a fresher. They're demanding 1.5 lakhs rupees. Can I join? Now that's a fake drive. No company will demand money. Coming to the second important point, okay, whenever you give any interview, right? See, one thing, the end results of that needs to be verified. Whether if he has got placed, their content, names, mobile numbers has to be there. Otherwise, it is a brainwashing activity. See how it looks. I'll call an HR. Every day I'm doing campus drives. So any beginner will definitely get confused there. He will feel that these are all actual drives which is going on. So this is actually a brainwashing activity going on, because at the end the data will not be there, because market conditions are very tough. You have to understand the reality. If you don't build strategies and if you don't basically go in a proper way, then it becomes difficult to grab a job, right? But it is not going to be difficult for those candidates where a proper strategy they are following. Like what strategies? Be in a group, study with friends, don't study alone. Because the other day one guy came, he said, whomever I knew, I was not in their group, they all got placed. But basically, I was all alone. That's the reason I did not get placed. Correct? The second biggest confusion people what they create is, sir, after joining the company, what if I'm not able to survive? See, that all I'll teach you. Now, as see, for us also, it's a daily learning. Okay. So now we know that I prepared a team of 8 to 10 years experienced people. One team I have prepared it now. When any student is stuck on the project, these people will connect with you. They will explain the project, do the work, and teach you the work. Yeah, get connected with them for 1 or 2 months. And when you're connected with them for 1 or 2 months, you will observe that how they are working, that idea you will also get. So that survivability issues will be resolved. I'll give you training for that also. That how do we connect with these people? How do we take the support from them? So on job project support can be taken. Not for all. Some cases when the situation is very tough, then we might require. Otherwise, students will also work by themselves. Like see, Muskan from 2024 said, I'm able to do all the work. The only thing is we have to study well and go for the interview. Correct? So these all things keep it in mind. It is, see now 2024 people, initially when I said, they did not believe. But today you notice, same 2024 people, one has taken 3 offer letter, other one has taken 5 offer letters. And last year we had 2023 hundreds of people getting placed like this. So all these things, keep it in mind. Some people get attracted, 2 months only interview will start. This market condition, if anybody is telling I'll place you in 2 months, which means it's a big lie. You know, the kind of questions being asked in interview are very tough. Don't expect inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and interview is done. They are asking microservices questions, REST API, project work, scenario based questions. Then you get a job. How the brainwashing happens is learn only data structure. I'm not telling it is not important, but because of that, what they do is their advanced skills are only not good. So understand, as a Java developer, 50% of your questions will come from collection, which is data structure for us, and stream API. We have to maintain separate notes for this if you want to crack the interview. Okay. And the rest, make your skills more stronger at project level, because they'll ask you, let's say you're learning a collection array list. Where did you use this practically in your project? Questions will come like that. Okay. Let's say you said hash map. They asked you about hash map. You said everything. Then they'll ask, give me a practical example where hash map data structure can be used in the project. So prepare this way, and after 10 interviews, you know the questions. The first 10 interviews, you will be not having the clarity about expectation. But after 10 interviews, same questions only will be asked. So why are you actually, not following a simple logic? If it's a genuine interview, after 10 interviews, all questions are same. If you just prepare a question bank of that, further interviews you have to crack. Plus, take the interview questions given by the placed candidate. Anyways, happy Diwali to all of you. And I hope today's alumni meet, we got to know the important concepts that we have to study and be prepared. And after this, what happens, self study starts. See, how the journey starts, I'll tell you. People will not know what is a class, what is an object. Am I right? After fourth month or fifth month of training, they can learn whatever they want by themselves. It is only the matter of patience. Okay. If that focus you are able to, do it and finish this program, then further you will find a way for yourself. God bless you all. We'll meet up again. The next alumni meet. Hopefully, next alumni meet दिवाली बीच में आ जाएगा लगता है. शनिवार फ्राइडे को दिवाली है, राइट? तो सैटरडे आ जाएगा, तो विल सी probably, क्योंकि obviously candidates will be celebrating Diwali, and let's see the situation at that time. If everything looks okay, then we will accordingly conduct alumni meet next Saturday as well. Okay. I'll tell you about the holidays. We will not have much holidays on Diwali and all. Okay. If Friday is Diwali, I might give you Friday. ऐसे भी Saturday Sunday छुट्टी है, Monday से classes चालू हो जाएगा. No long holidays will be given for any festivals, क्योंकि वो learning बिगाड़ देता है फिर. Okay. Bye guys. Take care.